Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and today we are back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of recovering the user ID of the online banking service of Truist Bank. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.truist.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Truist Bank. Now click on the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen and then go to Forgot User ID. Now choose the option Forgot Truist User ID. You'll then have to select the type of account you have. Select the type of account and then click on Continue. Now you need to provide your account or card number, last 5 digits of your social security number, last name, zip code and your contact information. Once you have entered the information, click on Continue and then follow the further instructions provided. Finally, you'll be able to recover the username of the online banking service of Truist Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.